Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to create one of the very delicious recipe, that is restaurant style homemade hot crispy chicken wings. By just only basic few ingredients we can make this recipe at home. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and let me know your opinion to the comment section. And also, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So without any further delay, let's straight into the video. Here I'm taking 500 grams of chicken wings with skin. I just clean it properly and remove the extra water from the wings. So after that, now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste together, half teaspoon of cooking salt, half teaspoon of baking powder, and half teaspoon of black pepper. Then I'm going to add all the ingredients together. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of garlic and chili tomato ketchup. After that, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Just keep in mind that in dark soy sauce there is already salt, so in that cases here I reduce the amount of the salt. Here I just use half teaspoon of cooking salt. Then I'm going to add half tablespoon of lemon juice. Then mix all the ingredients properly. And I will keep it for marinate at least for 1 hour. So my marination is almost done. This is the look. Now I will keep it for marinate for 1 hour. Then I'm going to start to preparing the coating. Here I already take 2 cups of normal flour, 1 cup of corn flour. Then mix all the ingredients. Here I'm taking 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Here I'm adding all the powdery ingredients. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now mix all the ingredients properly. So this is the coating of my chicken wings. So coating preparation is done. Now I'm going to start to fry. After 1 hour, this is the chicken. Now I'm going to cover the chicken with the coating which I just prepared right now. I'm just using only 1 layer to cover the chicken with the coating. If you want, you can make it 2 layers, just 1 layer, after that dip with the water and then make the 2nd layer. But here I'm doing only just 1 layer. I mix all the chicken wings with the flour. Now I'm going to start to fry. Here I'm taking 250 grams of sunflower oil. I just make it hot in medium to low heat of temperature. Now I'm just going to adding all the chicken wings one by one within this hot oil. I will cook it for 10 to 12 minutes at least in medium to low heat of temperature. 5 to 6 minutes in each side. After 5 minutes, now I'm going to turning to the another side. So my one side cooking is done. Now I'm going to turn all the chicken wings to the opposite side. Then I'm going to cook it for another 5 to 6 minutes. So this is the look of my chicken. Again, now after 5 minutes I'm going to turn it to the opposite side. So the total cooking time is for 10 to 12 minutes. Maintaining the temperature is very important because in upper heat it will be burned in outside, but inside it will be undercooked. So this is the look of my chicken. The cooking is completely done. Now it's ready to serve. So this is the final look of my hot crispy chicken wings. Please try to make this recipe at home. After making this recipe, I hope that no one will be disappointed. And if you like my video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.